Of class 8. This is your chapter 17 graph. Let us learn how to plot a graph and more about the graph. Let us sit together. Class 8 math chapter 17 graph part 1. It is made it into some parts, so it is part 1. An order pair. What is an order pair? An order pair, a pair of number that represents the number of rows and the number of columns present in a table, or you can say two-dimensional figure. Coordinates. It is an exact location of position, or you can say it is a unique mark. It is a unique mark of the position of a point on a plane. Axis, horizontal line, represent normally we are writing them as x o x dash is called x-axis, and vertical line represents y o y dash is called y-axis. Origin is the point from where horizontal and vertical distances measured in a plane. Okay, measured on a plane is called called Cartesian plane. So origin, it is, you can say, it is measured for both x-axis and y-axis. It is the starting point for measurement of the distance from the origin to any of the such axis. You can see the coordinate plane. You can say it is a graph paper or a square paper. Two lines drawn perpendicular to each other, that is x o x dash, y o y dash. They meet each other at O. They are mutually perpendicular to each other and divide the plane into four parts. Four quadrant you can see. So you have right top, left top, right bottom, left bottom. So you have four division. That is the points as shown in the figure. P, M are on the right top, Q and in the left top. Similarly, R is on the left bottom, and S is on the right bottom. Okay. Next, the lines, the axis drawn, that is x o x dash and y o y dash, they cross each other at point O, divide the plane into four parts. We recognize as a quadrant. That is your one represent the first quadrant. It is both x and y positive. Second, that is your second quadrant, represent x is negative, y is positive. Third is shown, that is your third quadrant, that is your x is negative and y also negative. And fourth represent fourth quadrant, that is x is positive, y is negative. Since in this quadrant distance you can say it is both the axes are shown positive in first quadrant as we discussed. Similarly, perpendicular lines are drawn for dividing with the help of the axis, x-axis and y-axis. The x-coordinate of a point is its perpendicular distance from the y-axis. Similarly, y-coordinate of a point is the perpendicular distance from the x-axis. In the second quadrant, as I told you, it is x is negative and y is positive. Coordinate of a point is on the Cartesian plane are written as x coordinate, y coordinate, or that we read also as abscissa and ordinate. So abscissa, ordinate. In the third quadrant, the coordinates are both negative, both x and y negative. In fourth quadrant, x is positive, y is negative. You can see 2 minus pi. It represents x is positive, means first value is x, that is positive. Second value is y, that is negative. Third quadrant, both the value are negative. So first quadrant, both x and y positive. Second quadrant, x is negative and y is positive. Third quadrant, both x and y negative. fourth quadrant x is positive, y is negative. You can see the drawing, also simple drawing with sign convention is shown. Look at the following points on the Cartesian plane. You can see a coordinate plane, Cartesian plane is shown with the division of across these two number lines are drawn to show this their distances on the different quadrants on the different quadrants. So you want to represent A 2 5, B minus 2 4, C 3 comma minus 5, D minus 1 minus 3. So 2 5, it means x, it is the perpendicular distance from y axis. That is y value 5, it is perpendicular distance from x axis. Therefore 2 from y axis, if you take here, it is 2, you can see, and then 5, it is from x axis 5. So A, you can see the dot mark with A written, that is your coordinate 2 comma 5. Similarly minus 2 4, it is x distance is perpendicular distance from y axis. So downward minus 2, leftwards from y axis is leftwards minus 2, and move towards 2 unit towards left. Then 4 unit move up, therefore B shown in the figure minus 2 4 is the coordinate of this point. Similarly C 3 comma minus 5, it shows so perpendicular from y axis in the positive direction 3 unit, therefore 3 unit move, and y is negative, so downward movement by 5 units, so 5 units. So C represent the point, you can see 3 comma minus 5 is the coordinate of that point. And finally D minus 1 minus 3, minus 1 you have to move from y axis towards right negative 1 unit as shown in the figure, and 3 downwards 3 units, so therefore D, the required point is shown, it is minus 1 comma minus 3 is the coordinate D. Alright. Here a question for trial and understanding, how you are understanding. Some coordinates of the points are highlighted. You have to find out the coordinate of these points. You can see A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, E, F. The 6 points are given. From this also values given. Origin 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Both x and y axis is shown. You have to find out the points and get the answer. For your understanding, one answer we will discuss now. It is C, A is from y axis, it is at a distance of 5 units towards right, and it is from x axis, it is towards 4 units up. So therefore coordinate of A is equal to 5 comma 4. So 5 4 the coordinate of A. Try to answer like that all other points. Similarly, here write the distance of these points from the x-axis. X-axis you can see minus 2, 1. These are the points given. You have to find out how much distance from x-axis. X-axis, as you know, this is horizontal axis. Which is measured from x-axis? It is the y component. Y component is 1 unit, so therefore it is 1 unit upwards, first bit. Similarly, second 8 units upwards. Like that you can find out. So how far distance from x-axis. Similarly, second one, y-axis, it is measuring along the horizontal distances. So right or left, it is for first the x component. So minus 1 represented towards left of y-axis. Similarly, the 9 represent towards right, 9 unit on y-axis. Like that you answer all other questions. Write the coordinate with the proper sign for the following. Distance from x-axis is 8 unit. Distance from y is 2 units. So, and it lies in the third quadrant. Since as you know, third quadrant, both the points are negative, both x and y are negative. Therefore, the coordinate of this point will be minus 8 minus, okay, so from x distance is given 8 unit, so that is y coordinate, so minus 2 comma minus 8. Okay, similarly distance from x axis is 1 unit, Distance from y-axis is 3 unit. Distance from y unit is 3 unit in second quadrant. Second quadrant, as you know, it is x value negative, y value positive. So that is -3 and y value positive, so 3, 1, -3, 1 second bit. Try to answer the other bits like that. Children, I hope you like this video. So if you understood, fine. If you have any doubts, you can give writing in the comment box so that any improvement required, it will be